What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can download Loom videos without having premium. All you have to do is take a link, the link of the Loom video, and then put it into the script, and then it'll download the file of the Loom video. So you don't need premium. Let's get into it. Before I start this video, I just want to say that I do not condone utilizing other software to get around Loom's incredulous paywalls. I am not saying that I used this workaround to record this video, but I'm also not saying that I didn't use this software to get around Loom's paywalls. Take your own risk, do your own research. This tutorial is made for those who are daunting enough to not spend $240 a year on a subscription that allows you to download the videos that you recorded yourself. So, yeah, take that with what you will. To do this, you're going to need a couple things. Firstly, you'll need a Loom account where you can actually make the videos so that you have videos to download. Second, you're going to need access to a Windows computer, whether that be a laptop or a PC, just some way to access one where you can download the applications that we're going to be downloading today. In today's video, we're going to be downloading a few applications. The first one is Git, and the second one is Node JavaScript. These applications are pretty small and only take up about 500 megabytes of storage. So you should be able to download them with no problem, and you can delete them right after you download your videos. So boot up your computer and let's get started. Alright, so now that we're on our computer, I'll leave a link in the description to the GitHub page, but this, all credits for this goes down to this guy, Ecom Graduates. He made this Loom downloader, and that's what we're going to be using today, so the link is in the description if you can't find it. You can skip this video if you want and just read this, but it does get a little complicated, so I suggest you do. But yeah, so the first thing we're going to do, so it says that we need to install this link right here. Now, to do that, you're going to need something called Git. Git is free. Just look up Git download. You can click this link right here and then do the Windows one because we're on Windows. So I guess the 64-bit is fine. I haven't tried the 32, but yeah, it should be fine. So just open that up. Allow it to make changes to your device. And then this screen will pop up. And then you can read through that if you want, but just click next. Leave everything as the default. And then on this page where it says Git from the command line, you want that, so leave that there, especially. If you change anything else, just leave that, because it allows us to go into command prompt and not have to worry about going through all kinds of different apps. So just leave it as it is, leave everything as the default, and you'll be good to go. So the next thing we're going to install is something called Node JavaScript. And when we download that, we're also going to download the Node Package Manager. And it'll come bundled together so we don't have to go to multiple places. But it's free, again, maybe like 300 megabytes. It's really not that big. Just hit finish. And then those are release notes. You can read those if you want. But next, we're going to navigate down to npm download. We're going to click this link here. And then we're going to scroll down. Don't worry about this one for the Windows. Just go to this one. And this is the Node JavaScript download page. You're just going to download the Windows installer. As you can see here, it comes with npm. I think that was it. Yeah, okay, so just, I guess it's real quick. I clicked it too many times. There's a few of them. But yeah, so just hit next. Accept, next, leave everything as default again, don't worry about anything, and then it'll install. So after this installs, we're going to go back to that GitHub page. We're going to run that Git command so that we can get that repository, the commands for the files downloaded. On my screen, it'll say that I already have it. It's because I've done this before. That's not why I know how to do it. But it shouldn't say that for you. It should just download everything. So yeah, so go back to the GitHub page. Get this link right here. Control C. Open up your command prompt. Okay, and then just hit paste. Okay, there we go. So once you've pasted it in, just hit enter, and it says that I already have it. Yours should download, and then you're good to go with that. So we're going to minimize this tab and go back to this page. Okay, so once you're back on the GitHub page, you're going to want to scroll down, and we're going to be using the installing via npm. So get this command here, copy that, and then go back to your command prompt. And before we do that, we're going to make sure that we actually do have node and npm installed. So just type node-v. Should give you the version. Yep, there it is. And then npm-v. It should also give us the version. Yep, there it is. Okay, so now we're going to paste that command, npm install space loom-dl space -g. So just hit enter. It's going to install it. And there you go. So now that that's installed, you are good to go. So just move this command prompt out of the way. Go up to where it says download a single video. You can download multiple videos if you make a text file and put it in your user folder. I tried that and I kind of struggled trying to get it to work. Doing it video by video really just works better, and you won't get, sometimes it'll catch on and it'll time you out, and you just don't want that. So just do the single video. Works every time. Just copy this, go back to your command prompt, and then you want to paste it. And then I have a notepad where I have some of my Loom videos from the last video. So we're going to open those up, scroll over here, and I'm going to copy this Loom link. It's going to download when I paste and hit enter. And there you go. So if you want to open this link, navigate down to your this PC when you open files, and open your SSD storage, type user, click the folder that says users, click your name, and then search via the name that pops up on the screen here, this .mp4. Search for that and it should be there, or you can just scroll down and it should not be placed in a folder yet unless you direct it to. But yeah, so that's how you download Loom videos without having to pay like thousands of dollars for the premium. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for my video today. Give that Econ Graduates guy a round of applause. Say thank you for letting this video be possible. I definitely appreciate it. All credits go to that guy. But yeah, I hope you guys had fun. I hope you guys get what you wanted and you can save some of that money, spend it on yourself, you know, ball out on your own self. Don't go spend $2,000 on Loom just so you can get some videos that you worked really hard on to download. But yeah, that's it. So like and subscribe if you want, and comment down below if you got any video suggestions or stuff you want me to do. And peace out, and I'll see you next time.